Hello students, welcome for another session of our class 6th chapter data handling. In our previous class we have completed our exercise 1. Let us start exercise 2 today. In this class, first question, the number of wristwatches manufactured by a factory in a week as follows. In a week, that means from Monday to Saturday, daily some number of watches are manufactured. So Monday how many, Tuesday how many, like that, all 6 days how many watches are manufactured, it is given as a table. So Monday 300, Tuesday 350, Wednesday 250, Thursday 400, Friday 300, Saturday 275. So we have to represent this data. This is the information. So this data we need to represent it as a pictograph. So represent the data using the pictograph. That means pictures we have to show. Choosing a suitable scale. We have to choose the scale also. Scale means, so all 300 watches we cannot draw, right? So to represent that 300 watches, symbolically for one watch figure, one picture, how many number of watches you are showing on the table, that you have to write as a scale. So here as this 300, 350, 250, 400, 300, 275, so like this are there. So I am using the scale as one picture of watch is equal to 25 watches. I am choosing the scale now. So scale, what scale I am choosing? Here one picture of watch. So I am drawing the watch like this, a wristwatch, for hand we will wear, to look at the time, that is called a wristwatch. The time which we look in the room, the watch which is hanging, the time which is hanging on the wall, that is called a clock. The time to see where we look on our hand, here we tie that watch is called wristwatch. Okay, so that wristwatch I am showing in this way. So like this I am showing. Okay, so this wristwatch, one picture is equal to 25 number of watches I am taking. 25. So why? Because last year 275 is there. Otherwise I am thinking to take 50, but if I take 50, half of a figure I cannot show. So that is why I am writing 25 watches. Okay. So like this we have to represent this data to the pictures. So I am showing the watches like this. Okay. So one picture watch is equal to 25 watches. So Monday to Saturday, all we have to show as pictures. That the complete data should be represented. So this is the day. Okay, day and number of watches. Number of watches. Okay, like this. So I am going to show it. First on Monday, how many watches? 300. 300, each figure is 25. So 300 divided by 25. So how much you will get? 25 ones are here again 5 remains. 25 twos. That means 12 pictures you have to draw. 12 pictures. So 1. So I am drawing it. 2, 3, all does not look same, but we should try to draw same equally all. Okay, like this. 3, 4, 5, 25 plus 25 50 plus 25 75 75 plus 25 100 125 150 175 200 225 250. Still I have to draw 2 more. Okay, like this. So each figure is equal to 25 watches. So how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 into 25 will be equal to 300. So like this we have to show goes to the picture. This is on Monday. Okay, like that all days up to Saturday we have to show. Next what? Tuesday. So Tuesday how many? 350. That means 300, 350. How much extra? 50 is extra. That means each watch is 25. That means 2 more pictures you have to draw extra. Here 12 we draw no. So the frequency here are 12 figures we have drawn. 12 into 25, 300. So I write here the frequency also. Okay. For understanding that I will write. So how we are writing that? Here right. I am writing the frequency. Okay. So to understand that is not word actually. Here each picture is there. No? How many pictures are there? 12 frequencies. So 12 into 25, that is 300. Like that for understanding this. Okay. So each picture is equal to 25. That is the scale we choose here. So next Tuesday 350. So 350 means 12 plus 2, 14 we have to draw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So all like this. These are watches. You have to imagine these as watches, wrist watches. So 25 plus 25, 50 plus 25, 75, 75 plus 25, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300, 325, 350. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 into 25. 14 into 25, total number of watches produced on Tuesday is how much? 350. So next another day. Next is what? Wednesday. So Wednesday. How many watches are produced on Wednesday? It is 250. 250. What is the square? 25. So when you divide the 250 with 25, how many you will get? 10. That means you have to draw 10 pictures of the watches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the pictures of watches. So 10 pictures. You already have the examples in your book like this. Tractor figures are there. So pictograph means showing the information through the pictures. That's all. Imagine these are watches. Okay, wrist watches. So 25, 50, 25, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 into 25. 10 into 25. 250 on which day? This is on Wednesday. So next Thursday. Thursday how many? 400. 400. 400 means for 400 divided by 25 you have to check. So 25 ones are 25 ones are. Again 15 remains. So it is 6. Total 16 times. 16 watches you have to draw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Like this. between the watches. You know, hands will be there, minute's hand, hour's hand, seconds hand will be there. That if you are able to draw, you can draw like that also. So middle, so in the minutes handle and seconds, hours, needles will be there in the wristwatch. Like that you can show. If you are able to draw properly, you can draw it. Okay. So here there is not much space on the board. That's why I am showing like this way. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300, 325, 350, 375, 400. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 into 25, which is equal to 400. So I have shown you the way how to draw the pictograph. Up to Thursday I will. So Friday and Saturday, according to the number of watches production on that Friday and Saturday, you have to divide it to 25. The scale is this. Choosing the suitable scale is this one is the best. I have to take 25. Why? Because a class 275 is there. If it is not 275, I may take as 100 or otherwise 50. Here some 50 is there, but that is why I may take that. So if you take the bigger scale, the number of picture may reduce. But here 275 is there, we cannot show half of the picture. That is why I am taking 25. So like that, Friday and Saturday also we have to complete the total pictographs. Hope you all understood how to show the data in the pictograph. Thank you very much. Let us go for the second question. See the next question. Details of apples sold in a week by Ahmed. Ahmed is a fruit vendor. In the market he sold apples each day, Sunday to Saturday. In the whole week, Sunday how many? 100, Monday 85, Tuesday 90, Wednesday 80, Thursday 60, Friday 95, Saturday 70. These are different number of fruits sold on different days in a week. So we have to represent this data through the pictograph, choosing the scale. Scale also given in the question itself. Represent 5 fruit with a symbol. We have to show. So scale is for the symbol 5 apples. For one figure of fruit, it is equal to 5 apples. So Monday, how many? Sorry, first Sunday, no? Sunday. So I am showing this Sunday upside. Starting with Sunday. So here I am adjusting because the space is not sufficient. So here Sunday. Sunday how many sold? 100. So 100 with 5. That means 5 into 20 will become equal to 100. So we have to show 20 figures here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 20 pictures of these apples will be equal to 100 apples. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Like that. Okay. Next Monday. Monday means 85. So 85 means 5, 17 times. 17 times if you draw this picture, it will be equal to 85. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. See, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. 17. Okay. So next Tuesday. Tuesday how many? 90. 90 means 18 we have to show. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Okay. Wednesday or Tuesday, how much? 90, no? 80, 85, 90. 90 apples on Tuesday. Wednesday, how many? 80. 80 means 5 divided by 80. How much? 16 will come. So 16 times how will come? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 means 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Like it. Next Thursday. Thursday how many? 60. So 12 5s are 60. So you have to show 12 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Next Friday. Friday how many? 95. That means 19 times you have to show. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95 on Friday. Saturday 70. 70 means 14 5s are 70. 14 you have to show. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 70 apples. Now after showing the pictograph, it followed by some questions also. What are the questions given in this question? Let's see. Which symbol got least share? How many? Sorry. Second question. How many symbols represent the fruits sold on Tuesday? How many symbols? Symbolically, how many are there? Actually, on Tuesday, how many apples are sold? 90. But the 90 apples shown in this pictograph with how many symbols? On Tuesday, see here, Tuesday 90, here Tuesday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 symbols are shown on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, total apples are sold, 90 apples are sold. On Tuesday, 90 apples are sold. It is represented with how many symbols? 18 symbols. 18 symbols. Why? Because scale is 5. So 18 5s are 90. So with 18 symbols. Okay. Next question. How many symbols represent the fruit sold on Friday? On Friday, what is the same? 95. So on Friday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 symbols. So on Friday, 19 symbols. Same you have to write the answer. On Friday, how many apples are sold? 95 apples were sold. 95 apples are sold. So it is represented with how many symbols? 19 symbols. 19 symbols. So each symbol is equal to 5 apples. That is the scale. So according to the scale, 90 apples were shown with 18 symbols, 95 apples shown with 19 symbols. So it is very easy. Only you need to understand the scale. If you understand the scale, one figure is equal to how many apples, you can easily draw the pictures and you can calculate how many symbols are required to show in the pictograph. Hope you all understood this question. Let's see the third question. See the third question. Votes polled for various candidates in a Sarpanch election are shown below against their symbols in the following table. Symbol sun, pot, tree and watch. So number of votes for sun 400, for pot 550, for tree 350, for watch 200. Represent the data using the pictograph. Choose the suitable scale. Answer the following questions. It is given. Same similar to this one only. So you have to show the particular symbols here. So sun 400, pot 550, tree 350, watch 200. Here if you take the scale as 50, it is better. Why? Because here all are even numbers only there, and 50 is the margin, so you can easily show if you take the scale as 50 for one figure. One figure is equal to, or one symbol is equal to 50 votes. One symbol is equal to 50 votes. If you choose that scale, is easily you can represent this data. Okay. See, sun is 400. That means 400 if you divide with 50, how much it will come? 8. That means you have to show sun symbol. Sun symbol 8 times you have to show. Next pot. Pot symbol, how many times you have to show? 11 times. Why? Because we are taking 50, no? So 50, 11s are 550. So 11 pots you have to show. Trees, 350. That means the tree symbol you have to show 7 times. 7 into 50, 350. That is why you have to show 7 trees. Next, watches, 200. 50 is the scale we are taking. So 50 into 4, it is 200. So 4 watches you have to show. So what we need to show? Sun pictures are 8, pot pictures are 7, and it is 8. This is not 7, this is 11. Pot is 11. Pot how many? 11. Tree 7. Watch 4. So now after drawing the pictures like this only, here you write sun. So draw the sun picture. Sun you can draw like this. By showing like this, this can be shown as the sun. So each figure is equal to 50. Scale you write. Scale. Each figure is equal to 50 votes. Each figure is equal to 50 votes you write. Okay. After that, pot. Pot you can show like this. Pot. So this is pot. So like this pot you can show. How many pots are there? Sun 400. So 400 into 50, that means 50 means suns how many you have to draw? 8 suns you have to draw. Pots how many? 550. That means 11 pots you have to draw. 11 pots you have to draw. Then tree. Tree you can show like this. Tree like this. Tree you can show. So trees how many are there? 350. So trees 7 you show. Next watches. Watches 200. Just now we show the watches like this. You show watch. Okay, right? Wristwatch. Okay. 7 watches. Not 7. 200 watches. So 200 into 50. That means 8. 850 is a. How much it will be? 400. But we have only 200. So with 4 symbols of watches will become 200 watches. So suns are 8. Pots are 11. Trees are 7. Watches are 4. Because we are choosing the scale as one symbol is equal to 50 volts. One symbol is equal to 50 volts. We have to show in this way. Again, questions are given. Which symbol get least votes? Least votes, which symbol? Watch only. No? See, the sun is 8, pots are 11, trees are 7, watches are 7. So watches are 4 only. Watches are only 4. So least votes are watches. So which symbol gets least vote? Watch symbol. First question answer. Second question, which symbol candidate won the election? Who got the more votes? Pot. Pot symbol. Pot symbol candidate won the election because he got the maximum number of votes, that are 550. Comparatively, any other symbol, pot symbol is the most selected symbol. So it is got 550 votes. So the candidate who got the symbol of pot is the winner of the election. Hope you all understood what I explained. Like that you have to draw the pictures. Here you write sun, pot, tree and watch. to the sun, you draw 8 pictures of sun. Sun straight to the pot, you draw 11 pictures of pot. Next, trees, 7 trees you have to draw. Watches, 4 watches you have to draw. Why? The scale you have to scale. One figure is equal to 50 volts you write there. So hope you all understood what I have explained today. So up to there you have to finish off your notes in the exercise 8.2. Let us meet in the next class to discuss the remaining problems. Thank you very much.